How to download Uniswap on your Android devices. Are you guys facing issues to download Uniswap on your Android device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Play Store on your Android device. Once you open the Play Store, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see the source icon. Click on it. Now tap on search bar and search for Uniswap. After you search for it, click on the second option where you can see this icon for Uniswap. Now click on install. As soon as you click on install, your app will start to download. It will take some time, it will vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. As soon as it gets open, just simply tap on open. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna download Uniswap on your Android devices. If you guys have any issues regarding Uniswap, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.